picture floor. Look at this. Oh my God, I love this. Oh my God. I can't make mistakes cutting this. This is good. Okay.
This better be good. Like Sharpie.
Ah. I can't give you diamonds so pearl. Hand on the moon and take you traveling the world. But I can love you. Yeah, I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna love you, babe. Cross my heart, hope to die. I'll give you all of what I've got. Fancy things, baby, I have not. Just gonna love you. Yeah, I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna love you, babe. Cross my heart, hope to die.
Done?
Yeah. Check this because I made a mistake here. That's good. That's good. Almost. So I don't want to sand now everything, but it will be okay. Okay? So this is the piece that I cut off before. So now I'm putting this piece back. So I could have a straight line here, but this is the maximum width. Okay, I'm putting the hash marks because we will have a cut. This section will be cut off. I think. And then we will have this cut off because that will be opening. So this is opening. Okay. So we'll have that storage, this is storage, and this is storage. So we have on the floor 3 storages that we made. So I need to finish them, but that's the storage. So for trying to use this section here maximum, now what I will do is this. I need a pencil. Okay, I will mark. Need to take the pencil, mark with the pencil, and if I mark with a red Sharpie anyway, that will be cut it off because
No.
Yeah, because if I put here Sharpie, that Sharpie will be outside. You understand that?
You're looking at me.
Yeah.
Like.
Because I'm talking to you, I'm not talking to them.
No.
I'm not talking to you, I'm talking to her. She's behind you. Move, listen. So, yeah, look. So this, look at this now. Let's say here. So when you do this, you see, when you move, you need to cut off the Sharpie.
Yeah, but you will have a little bit maybe left.
No, but that little bit, it's not good. Nice. Okay, I will use this. I need a drill. I don't know where's the drill now. I need to find the drill.
Oh, it's looking for something.
Yeah. Okay, this is a thing. I need really small. But I have a tools on the boat, I have a tools in the car, I have a Oppa!
Okay, it's time. That's it.
Okay, now I just need to cut this section here. First piece done.
That's it. First piece. Oh, come on.
That's the first thing. Whoop!
Whoop. Second part. That's the after.
I'm getting tired of it. It's a lot of energy. A lot. Okay. You know, I'm doing templating all the time. But I could tell you this is tricky shit. And I hope I didn't make a mistake. I just hope. Couple more. Every time I forget the glasses. Slow down, enjoy the life a little bit. 10 minutes, 15, that's enough. Just check it out, this the flooring. One more time just to do some marks and some touch-ups. Did you see the fish?
No.
Ah, look at that. Damn. Looks like a boat.
You know.
Templates sure pay off though, don't they?
Yeah.
You can see how straight the lines are, all lines matching.
Yeah. And I'm happy with this shit.
It should be.
You know?
Nice, man.
Yeah.
Like a professional.
I need to sand here more. That's what I need to do for now. Not fun. Twist them, and put them there on the top. Put them on the top. Not that easy. That sounds easy. Like just a little bit. I almost hit the head.
Almost.
But it's sharp here. I hate this. I don't know why.
Why is there? Why did you put that mess there?
I don't know. Like. It's ridiculous. Yeah.
Coming.
I need to take the machine. I need to cut on a table. I can't say that it's. I was thinking maybe I will be lucky, but I will sand next couple hours this.
How much it's a difference?
I don't know. I will cut it off probably 1/8 now. 1/8 I want to cut. Just a little bit. And then from this side I will cut also a little bit. Because it's kind of, I made it really tight. I could maybe fit them if I start hitting. I don't want to hit nothing because I will scratch the wood. Okay. I just want to cut them and let's see. Yeah, always use the glasses or some safety equipment. I don't have. I have in a shop, so I can't go right now, leave everything and go in a shop to take the glasses. So okay, let's try this. So close, so close. So I need to mark here. I need to mark this shit here. But also it's possible if I push a little bit there. Yeah, from here to here, this section here, I need to or cut or I don't know, or sand. Probably I will just cut them. So this one I have a line here and you can see the pencil. So you can see the pencil here. So now I need to trim out this pencil and that will be okay fit. And a little bit here more. I could push this, but it's like on a pressure, you know, like I don't need that, so I will just cut them off a little bit. Okay, let's do this. I think now I'm good. I mean, I hope I'm good now, and that we can proceed with that, with the next thing. So the next thing is templating Weber. It's not easy. It's fun. It's fun if you love it. If you don't love it, if you don't like to work like, you know, like with the different kind of projects and the stress, not fun. Better buy a boat that is done.
It's never done.
It's never done, but better buy a boat that you don't need to work like a lot. A lot of people want to build a boat. I think I was in at one point like I would love to build a boat. No, man, I don't need to build a boat. Maybe sometime I'm thinking like it will be maybe easier to just build a boat, you know. Come on. Okay. Okay. Huh?
Nice.
You like it?
I like it.
How that look?
Oh, it looks amazing.
Huh?
Huh? Nice job.
This will be really beautiful boat. Now chipping is less to happen, you know, like because you don't have that edge to, you know, the edge will grab on something and then chip out. Mm-hmm. Okay, couple more things. We can go on a boat, check this out, come over here, measure whatever. No, we need to cut a tick for that door. Mm-hmm. You know, sometime you just want to use the hand tools. You can buy a boat for $500, even if somebody give you a boat. But we will discuss about this pricing, how much something costs, you know, how much work you need to put into it. But till then, see you.